Reading from the Japa Reform Notebook by His Holiness Satsvarup Das Goswami Maharaj. So, chanting Hare Krishna is transcendental to material results, but it gives the best results for everyone. It spreads the benediction of the holy name. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya says, Cheto Darpanam Arjanam Bhava Mahadavagni Nirvapanam. All glories to the chanting of the holy name. It cleanses the heart of all the dirt accumulated for many lifetimes and puts out the fire of repeated birth and death. It is the ultimate of all transcendental knowledge. It increases the ocean of transcendental bliss and it gives us a taste of the nectar for which we are always anxious. He glorifies the holy name for its good work among mankind. As the moon turns full in the sky day after day, as one chants Hare Krishna in the society of Krishna conscious devotees, the benediction of the moon of Lord Chaitanya will increase and increase even in Kali Yuga, and everyone will benefit. Their own moon of love of God will grow. It is far more than some pious activity.
The Srimad Bhagavatam, there's a verse, Nehayat karma dharmaya na viragaya kalpate na tirtha pada sevaye jivannapi mrito hi saha. This verse says, if somebody is doing activity in this world, some work, that work eventually should lead him to dharma. Because while doing that work, he will start considering, is it sinful or is it pious, is it proper, is it in line with Lord or not? Then it will lead him to dharma. And as he performs dharmic activities and starts offering the fruits to the Lord, gradually jnana will awaken. He will gradually come to know the difference between body and soul. And then as he researches more into the understanding of the soul and soul's activities, he will arrive at the understanding of Lord being the super soul in everyone's heart. And then that will lead him to the devotees of the Lord, Tirthapada Sevaye. And what is the meaning of serving the devotees? Serving the devotees means following their instruction, the supreme instruction of chanting the holy name. That is the greatest gift a devotee can give to anybody in this world, gifting the holy name. Once Parvati Mata was asking Shiva, why the Braj Raj is so much glorified? The Vrindavan Dham is so much glorified. Is it due to Lord Krishna's presence there? Or is it due to the Vrajabasi's devotion? Or is it due to the Yamuna flowing there? Or is it because there is Govardhan hill there? Or is it due to the millions of cows which are very beautiful, which are all the time with Krishna? So Lord Shiva said, what makes Vrindavan so special is the holy name which is always ringing in the background. Everywhere, in the lips of the Vrajabasis, in the hearts of the Vrajabasis. So he said the holy name actually makes the holy dham very vibrant, spiritually vibrant. Therefore, it is said that one should not go to a Tirtha Yatra just for sightseeing, but one should go to Tirtha Yatra to associate with saintly people. So what makes the saintly people saintly is the devotion that decorates their hearts and the holy names that decorates their lips all the time. And because of this, the saintly people actually become saintly, like an iron rod put in fire, becomes fiery. And such saintly people, when they go to the holy dham, and when they take a dip in the holy river, they delete or nullify all the sinful reactions dumped by the materialistic living entities who come there and dump it in the holy rivers. So saintly people even sanctify the holy waters of the holy places by nullifying the sinful reactions. Therefore it is a tirthi kurvanti tirthani sva antastena gadabritaha. So the holy people are said to be people who purify even the holy places because Lord Hari is always situated in their hearts. And Lord Hari is situated in their hearts because they chant the holy names. That is actually the secret. So by their constant remembrance of the holy name, they have constant presence of Lord Hari in their hearts. So this is what Lord Shiva glorified, the Dham, as something very special and important because of the holy name constantly ringing in the holy abode. And we are gifted the same holy name in our life. So our karma should turn to dharma and to jnana and ultimately fixity on the super soul, eventually leading to faith in the holy name. And once the person has faith in the holy name and serves the spiritual master by chanting the holy name, actually holy name is the beginning. Once a person starts chanting holy name, everything else follows. Service to the Hari Guru and Vaishnavas follows that. Purification of heart, awakening of love for Krishna, and meeting Krishna face to face, and becoming eternally situated in our Swarupa. All those things follow when one faithfully chants the holy name. Therefore, he is saying chanting holy name is like like a moon. If you see the waxing moon, waning moon we see in this world, moon grows and diminishes, whereas the holy name is ever growing. It's like ever growing moon, and leads to the full moon of attaining our Swarupa. And situating ourselves in the Swarupa and entering service, there is nothing beyond that. So the holy name brings ultimately that benediction, but before that it brings hundreds and thousands of other benedictions, which eventually take us to that ultimate point of meeting Krishna and surrendering to Him and serving Him. So understanding and recognizing the sublime gifts that the holy name is awarding, one should chant the holy name free from offenses. Harinam Prabhu ki